Can you do that again? Can you do that again? Ah! Hazel! Oh, now you're gonna get fussy. Hey! Hazel. Look at me. And then... Oh, goodness. What? You just smiled so big. And now you're getting fussy. Hi. Hi. You smile? No. Here's me. Hey, honey. Hey, you. Hazel. You smile? Should we show everyone your big tummy? Such a big tummy. Big tummy. See, I gained 2.5 pounds in 2 weeks. I'm a hungry hippo. Yeah. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Oh, goodness. Mommy can't get anything done because I just want to be held all day long. All day long, huh? That's you. Oh. What's that face? What's that face? Oh, goodness. Okay, say bye.